Welcome back to Tech DJ. Learn how to leap ahead with great career choice in high-impact data roles. Today we're talking about 3 high-impact data roles: data engineer, data scientist, and data architect, so you can choose the perfect path based on your strengths, interests, and goals. Data engineers are the builders and mechanics of data pipelines. They build ETL pipelines to move data from data warehouse into analytics platforms. Data scientists are the analysts and researchers who extract insights and build models. They train ML models using Python and libraries like scikit-learn. Data architect meet Arjun, who designs the organization's data lake architecture, sets standards, enforces governance, and optimizes cloud storage for performance and compliance to design scalable data ecosystems. List of skills that you got to learn for data engineer, data scientist, and data architect. Data engineers progress from build. Data scientists grow from analysis. Data architects evolve from solution design. Depending upon your level of expertise, the compensation varies across these 3 roles. However, so if you're in India and targeting the 20 rupees to 30 LPA range early on, data scientist or architect roles are the peak, but starting with data engineering is a solid launchpad. Choose data engineer if you enjoy building systems, working with pipelines, and coding at scale. Choose data scientist if you love analytics, writing models, and driving business insights. Choose data architect if you're strategic, enjoy designing systems, and want to shape enterprise-wide solutions.